So my name is Josh Beckwith. I am the Vice President of Corporate Sales at Sojern. Sojern is a nearly 20-year-old ad tech company who services the travel space, driving performance media for travel advertisers all around the world. Commerce media is booming at the moment in travel. It is relatively new, but it's great to see it really taking off in the last year or so, with multiple travel brands bringing their data and their unique inventory into platforms for advertisers to now engage with. Travel has been one of the biggest e-commerce sectors for many, many years. Maybe not just by volume, but also by the amount that you buy, right? You book your holiday online like it's a major, major purchase. You also do it multiple times a year, whether you're a business traveler or a personal traveler. You have your train, your airline, your taxi, your hotel. Like, it's such a rich and exciting data set that is really great for that data to be now made available across DSPs and SSPs in the commerce media space. Like, retail media has boomed through kind of on-site, close to purchase media, and commerce travel networks are booming now, bringing that data set not just for their unique inventory, whether it's their seat back videos or in hotel room TVs, but also tons and tons of travel intent and booking data, and allowing advertisers to really engage with that themselves. I mean, the big promise of programmatic was to build just one place to go, one DSP to activate all of your advertising rather than sending out multiple IOs to multiple vendors. We're kind of coming a bit full circle in terms of fragmentation now, which is great in terms of like less walled gardens and more access to differentiated, high value, built for outcomes-based data and inventory sets. But it is going to make it more and more difficult for agency planners and buyers to really engage with what works, to test and learn, to A/B test their creative against different advertiser sets. There can only be so many line items on any plan with so many data sets and so many creative. So it is creating an opportunity, but it is creating problems in fragmentation too, for sure. What Sojern seeks to do and has done for many, many years is really be that intersection of data, audiences, intelligence and inventory, so that we can become kind of the quarterback for that commerce media network in travel. So we aggregate and combine multiple data sets into one stream. We then deploy that against multiple audiences, wherever they may be, online programmatically. And then we try and do some closed loop measurement as well, so you can really understand what that did. You can't just rely on post-cookie, last click, last touch type attribution. We're really looking at the full path to purchase and using the data, not just to put people in those segments, but also let advertisers know what works and what they should be doing more of. With curation and with retail media and commerce media, you have this explosion of taxonomies, right? We have over 400,000 taxonomies inside of Sojern, delivering 1 billion different decisions every single day. In terms of engaging with taxonomies, like, we have to go way beyond either the segmentation, the Claire, Jane, Mohammed type kind of overview of who the individuals are based on some research, or indeed just broad stroke family, luxury, business, skiers. What we do is use our own internal taxonomies to build really, really bespoke audiences that are not just around the target audience, but also around the outcome and what is the cost of that outcome. So you want to drive a booking, how much do you want to pay for that booking? What's the return on investment? What's the lifetime value? If you're trying to drive engagement, what's the attention? What's the ad metrics? So we build our audiences not just around the kind of broad stroke inputs and kind of segmentation and taxonomies, but also like really bespoke, built for outcomes targeting. Number one, the weather. It's a beautiful day in London, which is fantastic. We've had a great summer. It's great to see everybody back in town and like together. The one thing I love about this is not only the content, which is always just incredible. You have some of the leading voices in our industry making really, really clear and insightful points, but also just meeting everybody. There's so many exciting, new or innovative or changing companies, and it's just great to see what everyone's up to. So I really, really love this. It's a highlight of my year.